Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how I curl this wig right here, so stay tuned to see how I do it using no heat, just the bending rollers. I'm going to start by using my white tooth comb to completely detangle the hair, combing the hair out to ensure that there is no area that is tangled, especially at the back side. Then next I'm going to use my hairbrush to further brush through the hair to ensure that the hair is completely detangled and it's smooth. After brushing through the hair, I'm going to proceed to moisturize it. I'll be using the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, this one right here. I applied a bit on my palm and massage it in, and I'm going to start rubbing the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum on the hair. Take note, when you will notice something about your hair extensions, the ends are always the parts that tends to be dry and not very manageable, so you need to ensure that you moisturize it with your serum. I prefer using the argan oil serum. Next, I'm going to start using my bending rollers right here to coil the hair. So I'm starting from one side of the hair. I sectioned out a part of the hair and I used my tail comb to do the sectioning while I comb through the hair. Then next, after combing through the hair, what I'm going to do is I'll start coiling it using my bending rollers. I started from the tip of the hair. I coiled it all the way up to the up part of the wig, but not to like the apex, just to where the weft starts at that lowest points on that area, and then I tied it together. Next, I'm going to section out another part of the hair and roll it up with my bending rollers. Come through the hair and next use the bending rollers and start coiling the hair up. I put the bending rollers on top of the hair and I coil the ends of the hair around the bending rollers. Then after I've secured the ends of the hair on the bending rollers, I start to roll it up, holding the bending rollers and rolling the hair upwards. The moment I get to the up part of that particular section of hair that I'm working with, I twist the ends of the bending rollers together and sort of conjoin it by twisting it to secure the hair in that curl pattern. Then for the ends of the hair, I repeat the same process. I curl the tip of the hair on the bending rollers, then I roll it up. This is a very easy process to achieve long-lasting bouncy curls, and it doesn't take time, unlike when you are using your coiling wand that you have to work in small sections of hair. Like using bending rollers is so much more easier and faster. All you just have to do is let the hair be in the rollers for about 2 days, 3 days. You can even leave it for about a week to help the curls last longer. And when you're ready to use your wig, you can take off the bending rollers and rock it. So I kept on coiling the hair. After finishing one side, I went over to the other side and I repeated the same process of combing through the hair and coiling it up. So I'm working on the back side of the hair right now. I comb through it and I'm using my bending rollers to coil the hair upwards. Then I'll twist the ends and secure it right there. So let's finish up this other part of the wig. I have two books that I've written relating to the hair industry, which is hair extensions and its quality and how to start your hair business. If you're aspiring to venture into selling hair extensions, or you're already in the hair industry, you already sell hair, you already render hair services, I feel like these books are going to be very vital to increase your knowledge and help you grow your business more. So this is the finished look, and this is what the wig looks like 2 days after I let the bending roller stay on the wig for about 2 days, and now I'm taking it off. I can see that the curls on the wig is popping. The hair really took the curls well, and I'm going to take off the bending rollers right now and show you guys the finished look. And I apologize, I am currently not at home, so I didn't film this video with a ring light. I just used the natural light in the room, so it's not very clear. But after showing you guys this part of where I'm taking down the bending rollers, I'm going to show you what the wig looks like under natural light, so you get a better view of it. So try this bending rollers method if you're somebody who wants to be able to coil your hair faster without much stress. This bending rollers method is going to be very beneficial for you. Yes, it's going to be very beneficial in terms of how your hairstyling game is, because truly the beauty of hair is not really about how the quality is. Yes, the quality is important, but also you need to ensure that you style your hair extensions really well. Yes, because the beauty of your hair is in the styling. So we are done right now with taking off the bending rollers. Oh, I think we still have one left. So I'm just using my fingers right now to coil the hair. I'm trying to ensure that the hair goes in a backward motion, and I'm just ensuring that everything is well placed. It looks nice. And this last one right here, I'm also going to use my fingers to arrange the coils very well. Yes, you want to sort of roll the hair backwards. Yes, that's how I like to roll my hair. I like to roll it backwards. And this is the finished look. I'm going to use my hair comb to just comb through the upper part a bit. I'm not sure I showed that part in the video, but if you don't have a comb, you can just even rock your wig like this. But just use your fingers and ensure that the hair is well placed and everything looks nice. So guys, this is the finished look of how the wig looks. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this gorgeous? Whew. If you got value from this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and follow me for more tips. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.